Don't sleep on this Dollar Tree garden secret. These 15 hacks will completely change the way you garden this season. And the best part is, they won't break the bank. If you've been looking for clever, affordable, and surprisingly effective ways to level up your garden, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we believe beautiful gardens don't have to cost a fortune. Whether you're just starting out, or you've been gardening for years, today's tips are going to save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the notification bell so you never miss any of our garden secrets and DIY hacks. Hack number 1. Dollar Tree Upcycled Planter Pots. One of the easiest ways to save money in the garden is by turning inexpensive Dollar Tree containers into beautiful planter pots. Instead of spending big on designer planters, grab their plastic bins, storage baskets, or even waste baskets, and transform them into chic homes for your plants. The secret is drilling small drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging, which keeps your plants healthy. You can spray paint them to match your garden theme, or leave them as they are for a rustic touch. This hack is perfect for gardeners with limited space or anyone who wants a cohesive look in their outdoor space. Use them for herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. Line them up along a fence, place them on a patio, or group them together for a stunning plant display. The best part, if one cracks or fades over time, replacing it is as simple as a quick Dollar Tree run. No guilt, no overspending. Hack number 2. DIY garden markers. Keeping track of what you've planted can be tricky, especially if you're growing multiple herbs, flowers, or veggies. Dollar Tree has the perfect solution with their craft section. Grab a pack of wooden popsicle sticks, chalkboard signs, or even plastic spoons, and turn them into cute functional garden markers. Simply write the name of your plant with a permanent marker or paint pen, and for extra durability, give it a quick coat of clear sealer so it won't wash away in the rain. This little hack might seem simple, but it makes your garden look organized and intentional, while also helping you stay on top of what's growing where. You'll avoid confusion during harvest season, and it adds a lovely personalized touch to your garden beds. Plus, you can get creative, paint them bright colors, add little drawings, or even let kids help make them for a fun family project. Hack number 3. Mini Greenhouse Hack. If you've ever struggled with getting your seeds to sprout, this Dollar Tree mini greenhouse hack will be a game changer. Grab a few of their clear plastic storage bins with lids. They come in different sizes, so choose one that fits your needs. Fill the bottom with your seed starting trays, or small pots. Plant your seeds, water them lightly, and then close the lid. The clear plastic traps warmth and moisture, creating the perfect little greenhouse effect. This method works wonders for starting seedlings early in the season, or protecting delicate plants from cool nights. You can stack multiple bins for a space-saving solution, or place them near a sunny window for maximum light exposure. When your seedlings are ready, just pop off the lid, let them harden off gradually, and transfer them to your garden. It's an affordable, reusable, and super effective way to kickstart your growing season. Hack number 4. Decorative plant stakes. Plant stakes aren't just for support. They can also add personality to your garden. Dollar Tree's craft aisle is full of wooden dowels, skewers, and even decorative signs that can easily be turned into custom plant stakes. Simply paint or decorate them to match your garden's color scheme. Then use them to support climbing plants like tomatoes, beans, or cucumbers. They'll not only keep your plants standing tall but also add a fun and stylish touch to your beds or containers. You can take this hack even further by attaching small labels, beads, or charms to the stakes for a unique look. This is especially handy if you want to create a themed garden. Imagine using bright colors for a summer garden, or neutral tones for a minimalist vibe. With just a few dollars and a little creativity, you'll have a functional, beautiful way to keep your plants healthy and your garden looking polished. Hack number 5. DIY drip irrigation system. Keeping plants properly watered can be tricky, especially during hot weather or when you're away for a few days. Dollar Tree squeeze bottles, condiment bottles, or even plastic cups can be turned into a simple drip irrigation system that saves you time and keeps your plants happy. Just poke a tiny hole in the lid, or bottom, fill with water, and place it upside down in the soil near your plant's roots. The water will slowly seep out, giving your plants a steady drink without overwatering. This hack is a lifesaver for container gardens, hanging baskets, or raised beds where soil tends to dry out quickly. It's also a great solution for busy gardeners who don't have time to water every single day. You can make several of these for just a few dollars and set them up all over your garden, giving you peace of mind that your plants are getting the moisture they need, even when life gets hectic. Hack number 6, budget-friendly herb garden. If you've always wanted a fresh herb garden, but thought it was too expensive, this Dollar Tree hack will make it totally doable. Pick up a few small containers, plastic bins, or even aluminum trays from their kitchen section. They work perfectly as mini planters. Fill them with potting soil. Plant your favorite herbs, like basil, parsley, mint or thyme, and place them on a sunny windowsill or patio. You can even grab wire racks or small trays to keep everything neat and organized. This hack is perfect for people with limited space, like apartment dwellers or those with tiny patios. Having fresh herbs within arm's reach makes cooking so much more fun, and the best part is you'll save money by skipping those overpriced store-bought herbs. You can even make it decorative by painting the containers or labeling each herb. It's simple, affordable, and will give your kitchen meals a fresh, homegrown upgrade. Hack number 7, DIY Dollar Tree garden. Trellis climbing plants like cucumbers, peas and beans thrive when they have something to grow on. And Dollar Tree has plenty of items you can turn into a sturdy trellis. Look for their wire cooling racks, mesh waste baskets, or plastic fencing, and secure them with zip ties or garden stakes. Arrange them vertically in your garden bed or container, and you've got an instant trellis that costs a fraction of what you'd pay at a garden center. This hack not only saves money, but also keeps your plants healthier by improving airflow and preventing them from sprawling on the ground, which reduces pests and diseases. Plus, it makes harvesting so much easier because your fruits and vegetables will hang neatly where you can see them. Whether you're growing in raised beds or pots on a balcony, this budget-friendly trellis solution is a must-try. Hack number 8, affordable outdoor lighting. Your garden doesn't have to go dark when the sun sets. Dollar Tree has some amazing budget-friendly lighting options that can create a magical evening atmosphere. Grab their solar-powered garden lights, string lights, or LED candles, and place them along pathways, around flower beds, or in your seating area. This simple addition makes your garden feel cozy, inviting and perfect for evening relaxation or entertaining. The beauty of this hack is that solar lights require no wiring or electricity, so setup is quick and stress-free. You can mix and match different styles for a whimsical effect, or keep it minimal and elegant. Plus, outdoor lighting doesn't just look pretty, it makes your garden safer to walk through at night. For just a few dollars, you can completely transform your garden into a glowing retreat after sunset. Hack number 9, upcycled watering cans. You don't need to spend big money on fancy watering cans when Dollar Tree has plenty of containers you can transform. Grab a plastic pitcher, juice jug, or even a large detergent bottle, well cleaned, of course, and poke small holes in the lid or cap to create a DIY watering can. This gives you a gentle, controlled flow of water that's perfect for delicate seedlings or indoor plants that need careful watering. You can even decorate these DIY watering cans with spray paint, waterproof stickers, or permanent markers to match your garden's personality. The best part is that they're lightweight, easy to refill, and if one ever breaks, you can replace it for just $1 or $2. This hack is all about saving money, while still giving your plants the consistent care they need. Hack number 10, DIY hanging planters. Hanging plants add dimension and charm to any garden, and Dollar Tree makes it easy to create your own. Grab small baskets, plastic containers, or even decorative cups, and attach some sturdy rope or twine to make a hanging planter. Fill them with soil, and your favorite flowers, herbs or trailing plants, and hang them from hooks, fences, or tree branches for instant vertical gardening. This hack is perfect for small spaces, patios, or balconies, where ground space is limited. You can get creative with arrangements. Cluster several at different heights for a cascading effect, or hang them in a straight line for a modern, organized look. Not only do these planters save money, but they also add an eye-catching element to your garden, while maximizing your growing area. Hack number 11. Simple pest control helpers. Keeping pests under control doesn't have to cost a fortune. Dollar Tree has items like sticky traps, small spray bottles, and even essential oils that can be turned into natural pest repellents. For example, fill a spray bottle with water and a few drops of peppermint or neem oil to protect plants from common insects. Or place sticky traps near problem areas to catch flying pests before they reach your plants. This hack is a lifesaver for gardeners who want to avoid harsh chemicals while still keeping their plants healthy. You can position traps or sprays strategically around your garden beds, containers, or greenhouse setups. Not only will your plants thrive, but your garden will remain safe for kids and pets. With a few simple Dollar Tree items, you can create a pest-free oasis without breaking the bank. Hack number 12. Garden art, DIY. Adding a personal touch to your garden doesn't have to be expensive. Dollar Tree has plenty of items, from small decorative figurines to craft supplies, that can be turned into charming garden art. You can paint, glue, or combine items to create whimsical sculptures, mini fairy gardens, or colorful accents that bring personality to your outdoor space. This hack is perfect for giving your garden a unique flair, while reusing inexpensive items. For example, transform a plain stake into a fairy wand, or turn small planters into animal figurines for a playful touch. Not only does this make your garden visually appealing, but it's also a fun project for kids or family members to get involved. With just a little creativity, your garden can look one of a kind without a big budget. Hack number 13. DIY seed starting. Kit. Starting seeds from scratch is one of the most rewarding gardening experiences, and Dollar Tree has everything you need to create your own seed starting kits. Grab small trays, cups, or containers, fill them with seed starting mix, and plant your favorite flowers, herbs, or vegetables. Label each container so you know what's growing, and keep them in a sunny spot or under a grow light for optimal germination. This hack is perfect for gardeners who want to get a head start on the growing season without spending a fortune. Using these kits, you can experiment with different plants, track their growth, and even give seedlings as thoughtful gifts to friends or family. It's an affordable, hands-on way to grow healthy, vibrant plants right from the very beginning. Hack number 14. Outdoor storage organization. Keeping your garden tidy doesn't have to be expensive. Dollar Tree has a variety of bins, baskets, and containers that can help you organize tools, seeds, gloves, and other garden essentials. Stack them on shelves, tuck them under benches, or place them near your planting area, so everything is within reach. Label each bin for even easier access, and you'll instantly reduce clutter and stress in your garden. This hack not only saves money, but also makes gardening more efficient. No more digging through piles of tools, or losing small items like plant tags or seed packets. By using inexpensive containers, you can create a functional and visually pleasing storage system that keeps your garden organized all season long. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in your daily gardening routine. Hack number 15. Easy composting made simple. Composting doesn't have to be complicated or costly. Dollar Tree containers can be transformed into small, manageable compost bins, perfect for your kitchen scraps and garden waste. Drill a few holes in the lid or sides for airflow, layer your greens and browns, and stir occasionally to speed up decomposition. In a few weeks, you'll have nutrient-rich compost to feed your plants. This hack is ideal for gardeners who want to reduce waste and improve soil health without buying expensive compost or fertilizers. You can keep a small bin under the sink for food scraps and easily transfer it to your garden compost pile. Not only does this save money, but it also promotes sustainable gardening practices. With just a few simple materials from Dollar Tree, you can turn everyday waste into a valuable resource for your garden. And there you have it, 15 incredible Dollar Tree garden hacks that are not only easy on your wallet, but also incredibly effective in transforming your garden into a beautiful, organized, and thriving space. From upcycled planters to DIY seed starting kits, mini greenhouses, and even simple composting solutions, these hacks prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to have a garden that looks and feels amazing. The best part is, each of these ideas is totally customizable, so you can add your own personal touch and make your garden truly one of a kind. I hope these hacks inspire you to get creative and take your gardening game to the next level. Imagine walking into your garden and seeing all these little projects come to life. Your plants healthy, your space organized, and your outdoor area glowing with charm. And remember, gardening is all about experimenting, learning and having fun. So don't be afraid to tweak these ideas to fit your own style and needs. If you tried any of these hacks, or have your own Dollar Tree garden secrets, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Sharing tips with fellow gardeners is what makes our community so special. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly garden tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new hacks and DIY projects. You can also follow us on social media for bonus ideas, behind-the-scenes content, and seasonal inspiration. Your garden doesn't need to be expensive to be beautiful. Sometimes the simplest, cheapest solutions make the biggest difference. So grab your Dollar Tree finds, get creative, and start turning your garden into a space you absolutely love. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.